Hello everyone, and in this tutorial we will learn about the equal, not equal, less than, greater than equal, or less than equal instruction. Means we will learn about the comparison instruction. So what I will do, I will just take one input 0 here, input underscore 0. This is my physical address at ix 0.0. Now here I will take first of all greater than, then I will use another instruction, uh, greater than and equal. Okay, now here I will do something. I will make I will copy this instruction again, control C, control V, control C, and control V. Okay, here I will make we can say two operation. First of all, I will make 50 and 10. Okay, so you can see 50 is greater than 10. So my this result R1, okay, will be true. Now R2 greater than or equal. So if I make 50 and 50, okay, so this instruction will give the R2 on. Okay, now I will make reverse operation 10 and 50 and uh, 50 and 49. Okay, so here I will make R3 and here R4. So in uh, just one window, one network, I will explain you this instruction greater than and greater than or equal. Okay, so let's I connect the power. So now my power is on. I will download the uh, program. Okay, and I will press F5 and I will just press input 0. Okay, and see what will happen. So you can see here R1 is on because 50 is greater than 10. R2 is on because both variable 50 and 50 is equal. Okay, now R3 is off because we can say my 10 is less than 50. Okay, so condition is not true. I have made one mistake here. I have to write here, we can say go log out, and here I have to write the 49 and here I have to write 50. Okay, so let's download it here, and again I press input 0, sorry, F5 I have to press because to run the PLC. So you can see my R1 is on, R2 is on because condition is true. 50 is greater than 10, 50 is greater than or equal to 50. But here you can see 10 is less than 50 and 49 is less than 50. Okay, that's why the reason my R1, R2 on and R3 and R4 is off. Okay, so this is all about the greater than instruction. Now the same way I will explain you here less than LT, then LE less than or equal. The same thing we will do LT here, and here I will do LE. Okay, now let's download the program. No. Okay, F5, run the PLC, and I will press input 0. So here you can see the various condition is work here. Here 50 is less than 10. Okay. So here R1 will not work because 50 is greater than 10. Okay. Now 50 is equal to 50 means it is less than or equal. That's why R2 is on. Here you can see 10 is less than 50. That is true. That's why R3 is on. Here you can see 49 is less than 50. That's why R4 is on. So here we will make some changes here. I will write here 51. Okay. I will write here 51. I will make login. No. Okay. And F5 for the PLC run. And I will press the input 0. So you can see now the last network is changed. 51 is greater than 50. That's why R4 is off. Okay. So this is all about the less than and less than and less than equal. Okay. Now let's delete this one and I will write one equal EQ. The same way I can write here EQ. Okay. So let's download this. Okay, F5. You can see if I press input 0, my 50 is equal to 50, that's why R2 is on. 50 is not equal to 10, that's why R1 is off. So this is all about the equal instruction. Okay, let's log out the PLC and here I will write NE and NE. NE means not equal. Okay, and let's download the PLC. Login. No. F5 means run. And if I press input 0, you can see now reverse operation will work. R1 is on and R2 is off. Okay. So this is about the not equal and equal instruction. Okay. So we can use this instruction equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than and equal, less than and equal into various process application. Okay, and we will see that application later. So thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any question, you can ask me in Q&A section. Thanks for watching this.